Welcome to the Office 365 update for May of 2018. In the next few minutes, I'll be giving you a quick rundown of the latest Office 365 updates with the goal of helping you get the most out of the service. Every day, millions of Office 365 subscribers rely on Excel to perform complex analysis for their organization's data. For many, however, extracting key insights from a new data set can be time-consuming and even a little intimidating. Microsoft recently announced the preview of Insights in Excel, a new service that automatically highlights patterns in your data. When you have any cell highlighted in an Excel data table, simply click the Insights button from the Insert ribbon. Powered by machine learning, Insights quickly identify trends, outliers, and other useful visualizations, providing new perspectives on data. In this example, Insights delivered over 30 suggested results that you can quickly scroll through. When you find insights you like, just drop them into your workbook with one click. A new tab is created with pivot chart controls that enable you to further modify the chart if you need to. Another new Excel feature currently available only to Office insiders is support for new data types. These new data types are fundamentally different than the traditional cell contents which hold values, formulas, and text labels. The first two new data types in preview are stocks and geography. Say you have a list of countries. You can convert it to the new geography data type by clicking on the command in the data ribbon. Now the cell isn't just holding the name of a country, it now contains a rich set of additional information behind the scenes. Clicking on the icon next to each item shows a data card displaying all the extra information in that cell. Better yet, if you have the data in an Excel table, you can see a widget that lets you pull the additional data into a column of its own. In this case, I'll add the population for each country. Note that Excel didn't just copy that data out of the cell, it actually created a formula for you. All the data available in the new data type is calculation enabled. This means that you can write your own formulas referencing any of the fields available in the new data type cell. It's not just states or countries either. The new data types support things like postal codes, cities, as well as stock, index funds, and other financial data. The Excel team plans to add more data types over time, including the ability to extend this capability to data unique to your organization. I'll keep you posted in future updates. For now, I encourage you to read the March 29th Excel blog post I linked to in the transcript and resources document available in the Office 365 Guide blog. And remember, it's only available to Office insiders right now. I know we have some passionate and vocal Excel for Mac enthusiasts in the audience. While Excel for Mac 2016 version 16.9.0 has been live since January, there have been several feature updates since then. An April 10th Excel blog post covers 8 Excel for Mac feature improvements, including the addition of more functions and charts, collaborative editing, more robust support for pivot charts, and more. Be sure to check the blog post and continue to make your voice heard in the Excel virtual suggestion box at excel.uservoice.com. Say you need to send an important or sensitive email to a colleague and you want to keep your manager informed. But for whatever reason, you don't want the mail recipient to know you're also sending it to your manager. Enter the Email BCC feature, which stands for Blind Carbon Copy, a term actually borrowed from when we wrote business correspondence on typewriters, or heaven forbid, by hand, using a copy medium called carbon paper. Only the person that was blind carbon copied on the memo then and the email now would know they received it. Replying all to an email when you are BCC'd on it usually defeats the purpose of the reason for the BCC in the first place. Outlook's new Prompt Before Replying All feature was designed to help ensure discretion when replying to emails when you're a BCC recipient. If you're on the BCC line and you click Reply All, Outlook will alert you with the message, your address was hidden when the message was sent. If you reply all, everyone will know you received it. This helps ensure you don't accidentally reveal that you received the original message unbeknownst to the other recipients, and perhaps more importantly, save the sender from a potentially awkward conversation with the other recipients. I've added the link to learn more about this new feature in the resource guide. And for the more inquisitive millennials in the audience who want to learn a little bit more about the fascinating history of carbon paper and all its uses, consider doing a search using your preferred web browser. As voice-enabled virtual assistants like Cortana take on more and more tasks, the ability to listen to my emails rather than read them is a natural progression. Another new Outlook feature rolling out to Office Insiders enables you to listen to your emails. If you're an Office Insider, you can enable this feature by clicking on File, then Options, then click on the Ease of Access section. Add a check to Show Read Aloud, and the option will appear on the home ribbon. In the March update, I covered several planner enhancements, including new group and filter options. I also mentioned that, coming soon, a new iCalendar format feed would enable you to quickly publish planner tasks to your Outlook calendar. I'm happy to announce that on April 11th, the Planner team released that feature, and it couldn't be simpler to set up. In Planner, go to My Tasks, click on the ellipsis, and then on Add My Tasks to Outlook Calendar. Then click on the Add to Outlook link. Your Planner tasks will be visible on your Outlook calendar, and you can easily toggle their visibility on and off. This integration will ensure that you don't miss any task deadlines. For additional details, read the Planner blog post I linked to in the transcript and resources guide. Last September at Microsoft Ignite, we announced new search capabilities in SharePoint Online that enable the discovery of people, information, and expertise from across your organization. This personalized experience is now rolling out to all Office 365 subscribers. Now, whenever you start your search in SharePoint or Office.com, you'll see consistent, personalized results powered by the Microsoft Graph. The search results are arranged into sections: sites, files, people, and news. You can expand the search results to see more information before opening the item. And you have the choice of opening the item or going to the location where the file is stored. That's huge. When you exit a search results page, you return to the page where you started your search. Try this new search capability today, and I think you'll find, as I did, how powerful and flexible it is. Microsoft 365 brings together Office 365, Windows 10, and Enterprise Mobility and Security. The new Microsoft 365 Admin Center, which I covered last month, is a single place for admins to get started with Microsoft 365 and discover the breadth of management capabilities and experiences available. In early April, Microsoft rolled out the first of two key components I mentioned last month, the Security and Compliance Center. It maintains the centralized experience, intelligence, and customization the Office 365 Security and Compliance Center offers today. It gives data administrators, compliance officers, and security administrators robust security and compliance controls across Office 365, Enterprise Mobility and Security, and Windows, all in a single place. Over the coming months, Microsoft will continue to add new capabilities to help admins deploy and manage security and compliance solutions, helping organizations optimize their resources. For Microsoft 365 customers, the new admin experience will be available automatically once rolled out to your tenant. SecureScore analyzes your Office 365 organization security based on your regular activities and security settings, and then assigns a score. Many people think of it as a credit score, but for organizational security. Only you can't use SecureScore to get a loan. Back in the February update video, I made this promise. Coming soon, Microsoft will be introducing an industry average score in SecureScore. This will show how your score compares to other organizations that have designated the same industry. That day has arrived, but first, I have some important news regarding the service overall. A common piece of feedback Microsoft heard was that it is great for Office 365, but what about other Microsoft solutions? To address that feedback, on April 17th, Microsoft announced that Office 365 Secure Score is now Microsoft Secure Score. Microsoft Secure Score builds on top of what was in Office 365 Secure Score and adds even more. One new feature you will notice as soon as you log in is the new Microsoft Score, which is made up of your Office 365 Secure Score and your Windows Secure Score. The Windows Score comes from Windows Defender Advanced Threat Protection, or ATP, which provides information about the status of your antivirus, operating system security updates, firewall status, and other controls. To get the details of your Windows Score, you can click on the Windows Defender Security Center link below your Windows Score to go directly to the dashboard in Windows Defender ATP. Beyond adding Windows to Secure Score, Microsoft Secure Score now supports Intune. This surfaces through the existing mobile device management controls. Lastly, you'll be able to compare your Secure Score against the scores of organizations in the same industry, based on what industry you designate in the Service Assurance section of the Office 365 Security and Compliance Center. To try out Microsoft Secure Score now, you can go to securescore.microsoft.com and log in with your administrative credentials, or click on the Secure Score widget on the Office 365 Security and Compliance Center homepage. That's all we have time for. Remember, send your feedback and success stories to Office 365 Update Series at Microsoft.com. I'm Jim Naroski. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.